We now know that authorities are investigating this situation in Lower Manhattan as an act of terror. WNBC is reporting that as that truck went down the West Side Highway bike and pedestrian lanes, mowing down people and bikers in its path, according to sources anyway, they tell WNBC that the truck crashed deliberately into a school bus that was carrying at least 3 children. The condition of the children on that bus, not yet known. The mayor and the governor are on site. We basically know that this suspect got out of the truck, and we showed you that video earlier, ran across the West Side Highway after mowing down multiple bikers and pedestrians and hitting the school bus. He fled the truck, brandishing what authorities are calling imitation weapons. They now know they were imitation, but at the time they did not. And he was holding them in plain sight as he ran across the West Side Highway. They shot him. His condition is unknown, but he is alive. We do not have a name. We do not have any other information on him. We have a briefing coming up in just about half an hour. Basically, there are several schools in the area. One is a high school, one is a grammar school. We do not have any information on whether they have lifted the lockdown yet. Both of those schools are on lockdown. The West Side Highway is closed in both directions from 20th Street south, and I expect it will stay closed for some time as they continue to work this accident scene. And basically, it is now a murder scene because we do have 6 people dead, at least 15 injured. Those injuries, some of them are reportedly quite severe, so that death toll may change. Totally. It was a deliberate act, according to authorities. They are investigating it as an act of terror, and an area of Manhattan that is always crowded, always busy, and presumably safe because it is a bike and pedestrian path, certainly was not today.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.